Okay, hey guys, I am Max here from Clone Trooper Productions 1029. Might be making a new channel, like with me doing all this regular stuff. But yeah, I'm at the fireworks show, viewing this at the baseball field. We're doing this at the baseball field. Got some fireworks coming off, very dazzling. Sorry if it's rather dark. That's all we got. Sorry, guys. But yeah. We're gonna sit back and view the fireworks. And enjoy. Grab your popcorn, donuts, and chips. Possibly some Gatorade, as I have in my little seat.
Don't forget Cheetos.
And don't forget your chips as Cheetos, like I have, my favorite snack in the world. Just enjoy these fireworks. Thank you very much, Dad.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna view these live. Now I'm just gonna hold the camera steady so you guys can see it too.
Right.
Oh and yeah, I got Daddy Trooper Productions 1029 with me.
Thank you.
You can't really see him because it's so dark. Yeah, you can see a little glimpse of him, but it's kind of dark, so I wouldn't expect you to see him. Yeah, I got Daddy Trooper Productions 1029 joining me, along with Mommy Trooper Productions 1029 and both Brother Trooper Productions.
Like my drink Trooper Productions.
So yes, please enjoy the show. You could be watching live at this time, but if you're not, enjoy the show wherever you live.
Why don't you just sit here and watch the damn fireworks?
I'm doing this with my dad's phone, so if something's really cruddy about it, yeah, this isn't that high quality. No offense to Dad or his phone, but yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Look at that one. Hey, Daddy Trooper, look at that one. These are some dazzling fireworks, especially the ones with that change color. Daddy Trooper. I think that was a big one.
That was a pretty good one.
Blammo.
That was a nice one.
Help me with the commentary here. Daddy Trooper, you need to help me with the commentary.
Alright, well that one looked like a big old dandelion.
Probably did. We gotta leave some for the nice little rainer.
Quite
Nice
expansive.
fireflies. Very loud. And no, that is not the fireworks at your house at the 4th of July.
I like
This
the
is up
secondary
before
action.
the 4th of July, because we are currently viewing these on June 28th. So this is before the 4th of July, so get some early fireworks action in ya, okay? Please enjoy the show. We got a lot of rain. I'm seeing a lot of rain here. It's kind of crazy. That one was kind of quiet. Another 3 in a row. Gotta call those ones triplets too. That one's kind of low. I don't know. Probably just this shower thing. Dazzliness. Speaking of paper lanterns, let's see if we can spot any. I probably can't. But that thing, that light right there. It's no UFO.
It's probably just an airplane.
No way that's a UFO. I can hear this one. Boom! Take cover!
I like that.
Imagine a clone Daddy Trooper. Imagine a clone watching a fireworks show. Second he sees one of those that goes up and curves, take cover, they're ambushing guys. The second he sees one of the fireworks, it's like, take cover, they're ambushing us. Guys, leave a comment on what you think would happen. I wonder what that thing is. Don't worry, this is not an alien invasion.
Right there.
This is a friendly fireworks show. Boom, boom.
Alien invasion.
This is not an alien invasion. This is a fireworks show.
Oh yeah? What do you call that?
I call it a weather balloon / airplane.
It's not moving.
I don't care.
I think it's a drone. Yeah.
Now it's moving.
Like that?
Me and Daddy Trooper are having a friendly argument on what that thing over there is.
We live in between two
Little
airplanes.
green lights. Yes, we do. 2 of them. It's getting darker. Trying to move up to watch some of these suckers live. Oh, boom. That was big. Oh, it was big. I know these are really small to you guys, but in person they are huge. I mean, they're massive. And we're not viewing them from that far away either, so I don't see why they're so small on the screen. Oh, blam! Sound like Tessa from Skylanders. I don't know what to call these ones. Let's stop naming them because I'm viewing a video. Well, I'm not viewing one, I'm making one.
Shooting star one.
Kablam! Another triplet? Seriously? I did too. These aren't as colorful on your screen. On the screen you guys are watching, it's not that colorful. But don't worry. Whoa, boom.
Electronic chips are crappy at night.
Yeah.
Analog much better.
These are just like white to you, but they're much more colorful to us. That one was blue. That one was kind of red. That one was greenish. That one was green a little bit. The sparkles at the end of that one was green. That one was kind of yellowish. Loud. Oh boy. Oh man, that one was colorful. Did not see that one coming. Yeah, I did. My hand's asleep. What? What is it, Daddy Trooper?
Your weather balloon. There it goes in a hurry.
Why? Why would it leave in that hurry?
Because it's a someone was
Probably trying to catch the fireworks like us.
yeah. I think they said it came from the Rocks Club over there.
Ooh. Green and red.
That was a long lasting one.
Oh boy.
That was awfully close to the ground. I don't think that one got the 1 foot was looking for.
That one was really one of those was really close to the ground.
That is not high at all.
Seriously.
Covering on that one.
You even caught a little action of a drone trying to catch these fireworks. Get some nice action on the fireworks from the top level, but we're getting them from the ground, so you can check out both those videos. If someone posted on YouTube, you can check out both those videos, though it's very unlikely you'll find them. And there it goes again, trying to catch another. We'll catch some more action. Trying to catch another view on the action, just check out those videos. Maybe it's an alien abduction, not a video. That one was cool.
Those are not getting very high.
Someone's gonna die.
Someone's getting burned by Cosmos. Let's see what that was cool.
Yeah, that one is big.
The sparkles, huge coverage area, right to the left.
That one's probably the best firework we've seen. Kaboom. Awesome. And boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Don't forget to mention Venus in the
Boom,
back.
boom. Oh yeah, there is Venus over there. I forgot where it is though. Oh yeah, kind of past one of the trees. I might go get a better view on Venus. The big bright star in the background, that one's Venus. Great big star over there in the background is Venus. So yeah, Venus.
Your viewers were treated to a view of my kneecap and ugly shoes.
Yeah, probably. And blanket back, supporting Sith colors with my red. Oh boy, that was. I don't even know where that one was. It's probably behind us. People shooting fireworks behind us. Ooh. I like that one. It was sparkly. Daddy Trooper, that one was sparkly.
I liked it too.
That one was cool.
Yeah, very spherical.
Definitely. I like that one because it rained down and then kind of blew up. And then the rest of them kind of blew up.
Yeah, that was cool. Sort of like that.
These ones are sparkly.
Sparkly, but the very last one was ejecting this nice red glowing ember looking.
Yeah. But the viewers probably can't see that because your phone, when it's in the dark, doesn't get that good coloring.
Yeah, it's a computer chip.
Especially with the light, with all this light. Doesn't really show on the cover,
That's
but
correct. I like that one.
yeah. Yeah, that one was kind of emberish.
Oh,
That one was an ember green. That one was like an emerald green.
on the ground.
That one's on the ground.
That's what I keep thinking.
That one is cool. Dad, do you think that one was cool? It was like red at the center, then outside was
Yeah, it
blue.
had like a couple of different burn levels going on. I like that.
I did too. What do you think, Daddy Trooper? What do you think of this fireworks show, Daddy Trooper?
So far, so good.
I think so too. You guys can just hang on to your hats until the grand finale. These ones are being pretty good to us, so I want to see what the grand finale has in store. These ones are rather nice. I want to see the grand finale and what's going to happen. Or if the entire baseball field will blow up because of the little fireworks. What do you think, Daddy Tube? I mean, not Daddy Tube. That's what Evan Tube HD calls him. This is Daddy
I don't know, we've
Trooper.
had plenty of rain lately. I don't think we can get a fire going.
Not Daddy Tube. That's Evan Tube HD's thing. This is Daddy Trooper.
I'd rather be Commander.
Hey, it's not the name of my channel. The name of the channel isn't Clone Commander 1020.
I wouldn't be a clone. I'd be a Jedi.
Commander. That's General.
Oh, then I'd certainly be a Jedi. I was just thinking Commander would be more like, a member of the council.
No, I'm more of General.
It would be young for me, but I would definitely be on the council.
Well, blam.
Having mastered the Force through meditation.
Oh, boys, stop shooting fireworks, people. We're trying to watch the good one here. Not saying yours